Hi guys, my name is Nakezia. I'm an Indonesian student in London. London is a very cold place to live. I mean, it's not that cold, but like you get it. It rains all the time. So like, you know, when I wake up before I went to uni, right? I need something to warm me up. So I usually make this one thing that I always have like almost every day, which is oatmeal. I'm gonna show you how I make my oatmeal in the morning. This is it. That's how I make my oatmeal. Leave me a comment down below and like tell me how you make your oatmeal. Guys, I'm just filming this to say that I'm no longer in London. I'm in Jakarta now. I'm back home. So yeah, the scenes that I filmed before is way back in January, end of January, I think. So yeah, don't call me like an idiot for going out in the sun in the park in London, because I'm no longer in London. I'm in Jakarta now. So yeah. I'll see you soon.